how far trip going?
So far,
So good.
excellent. It's not very good. Excellent.
Alhamdulillah.
Especially the tour guide is very cooperative
Yes.
and very helpful. Ihsan.
Cik Ihsan.
Ihsan, yang handsome tu.
So far, how the itinerary?
Actually, it's good. It's good.
So good.
It's so far so good.
So far, so
Because this Interlaken, I've never been to Interlaken. This is the first time we came to Interlaken.
Maksudnya dah banyak kali lah datang ke Europe ni kan? Berapa kali Cik Ben? Berapa kali?
Saya ingat mau 4-5 kali lah kot. 4-5 kali lah.
Tapi tak pernah datang sampai ke ni lah, Interlaken.
Atasnya belum.
Muren, I see.
Belum. Interlaken dah pernah. Saya tidur di campsite.
I see. Oh.
Interlaken. Tapi
Dulu lah
atas
sama
dulu.
dia.
When I was a student.
Oh.
Tapi
Wow,
in general,
overseas
okay.
student.
In conclusion, I have to thank JV and especially the tour guide. And it's very, very meaningful trip.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, syukur.
Kemana lagi lepas ni Cik Ben?
Saya dah balik tengok apa account dulu. And then insyaAllah kalau Allah beri rezeki kesihatan yang baik, kita jumpa lagi mungkin dengan JV juga.
InsyaAllah.
Okay.
Okay, jumpa lagi.
Terima kasih. This is